Right, good morning YouTube, and welcome to my channel Jules Craft Room, and this is Crafty Catch Up number 10. So, the news. Well, yesterday, which was the 4th of April, Monday the 4th, I was meant to be having my colonoscopy. But on this Saturday, 3 days before, when I was about to start my low-fat, low-fibre diet, I had been ill during the week anyway, and I tested positive for COVID. So, of course, I had to cancel my procedure on Monday, and there was no fasting diet to do, or a low fibre diet to do. So, not that I felt like eating a lot, because I was been quite unwell. What I thought had been food poisoning and then a bad cold, what turned out to be a bout of COVID. So yeah, not very nice. It completely washed me out. Didn't feel like doing anything. Certainly couldn't get my mind around any crafting at all. So I spent a lot of time sort of dozing or in bed resting, stuff like that. But I am feeling better now. I haven't done a test yet to see if I'm clear, but the hospitals that I was going to have the procedure at said that I can't come back for 7 weeks. The other hospitals said 2 weeks, so once I'm better and I've tested negative, I can then get in touch with them and make a new appointment date. So that's sort of the health things. So yesterday I was feeling a bit better, and I thought I need to get through some of my backlog of crafts. And one of them was, of course, the Secret Society blocks. Now, I hadn't touched these since before Christmas, because we're doing all the Christmas bits and pieces. So I think the last one I did was F. Completely finished F. And yesterday I had a go at starting to put the edging, the backing round on G, H and I to finish them off. So they're all just waiting to be hand stitched. And then the rest of the day I ironed on the transfers onto the each of the pieces. So as you can see, this is J. So I've done that with J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, which is where I'm up to. So I've done those, and they're all waiting now to for me to trace out the letter, each letter, cut it out of the red fabric, like this, and then machine blanket stitch round them, and then put the wadding on the back, and then I can start doing the red work, which is the best bit. So I'll put a video in to show you the ones I've done so far. So I have done all the letters from J all down to V. I've cut the applique out and ironed it in, so they're all ready to be blanket stitched on the machine and then the red work done. Right, so as you can see, I've got quite a lot to do, and that's what I'm going to do the rest of today. And hopefully I'll be back tomorrow and I'll have made some more progress. Right, as you can see, I've now blanket stitched all the alphabet down to V. I've also cut them out to size, and I've ironed on the wadding, and they're attached with their appropriate backing. And now all that's left to do is some major hand embroidery, but hopefully now I can get cracking in an evening that it's all prepared. Right, morning. It's Friday the 8th of April and I'm feeling so much better after having COVID. Still got a bit of a croaky cough, but yeah, so much better than I was. News is my husband now has COVID, so he's feeling really rough. And also obviously I'm still waiting for a negative test so that I can then inquire about booking in another colonoscopy, because I had to cancel that. So that's the ongoing health things. But I have felt much better the last couple of days, so I've been trying to catch up on the Secret Society blocks. I think the ones before Christmas were these ones, and I had them waiting to be edged. And as you can see, they're all done. So that's G, H and I, all edged. And then I've been sitting on the sofa and I've embroidered all of J and I've edged it. You can see J for jelly roll. And I've also done K for knitting. I've just now got to put the backing on, but that's all embroidered. And as you would have seen in the bit of video I put in before, I have all the letters up until U, I think it is, all backed, all the letters, what's it called? Blanket stitched, all blanket stitched on, waiting to be embroidered. So I think the next lot I'm doing is M and L. Yeah, so those are the next ones. So these are the ones I'll be sitting this evening doing the red work on and gradually working through. So it's coming on because apparently May is when they bring out the next quilt. Don't know if I'll go for it again this year. I don't know, I'll see, but yeah, but I thoroughly enjoyed this, and it's made me want to do more hand embroidery. Maybe not all in red, I quite fancy doing a mix of colours, so we shall see. But thanks for the kind comments. I feel fine, especially now I'm over COVID, so it's just a matter of waiting until I get a negative test and then I can go back and have my colonoscopy. But apart from that, I'm well, I'm fine. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch up again with you next week. Bye for now.